All right, what's up guys? This is Tyler with Board Insiders. I've been taking a few laps on the Roam Hammerhead. This is a skateboard, all the way 100% skateboard inspired snowboard. This is, if you can tell by the tip, it's inspired after one specific skater. Can't remember the dude's name right off the bat, but in my full review, I'll definitely get that nailed for you guys. One interesting part about this board is in between bindings, the board is actually like a 0.5 millimeter thinner than any other part of the board. And the idea behind that is they want you to be able to have extreme torsional flex. You can literally put your left foot on the ground and raise your right toe off the ground 2 inches. It's amazingly fun. You can go down the hill and it feels like you're just weaving down the hill like a snake. Someone should definitely grab the spaghetti sauce because this board's a limp noodle. It's designed to be a limp noodle, so if you're gonna go out and try this board and say that it's a limp noodle, or if you're going out and looking for a board that's really soft, this is gonna be the one for you. If you're looking for one that's stable for booters and gonna put you back down to the front seat when you land in the back, this is probably not it. This is just super flexy, meant to butter, meant to do rails, meant to have fun in the park, just not big booters. It definitely on board slides wrapped right around the rail because of its softness, so it held onto the groove really nice. Solid board, super fun, edge to edge is insanely fast because of the torsional flex. Wasn't quite my style because it was so soft, but that's what it's intended to be, so it was great for what it was supposed to be, just not the board for me. So this was another review preview. Look out for the real review online coming up in the next month or two. Board Insider signing out. Catch you on the flip side.